Hello everyone and welcome to today's hair tutorial. This hair tutorial looks really complicated, but it's actually really easy because it's just one braid, a French braid. So start off taking a section of hair from your parting and you want to split this into three. You're going to take the outside strands over to the middle. You're going to pick up a section of hair, add it to the outside strand of hair and cross that strand over the middle. You're then going to add a piece of hair to the back strand and cross that strand over to the middle. So each time the new strand becomes the middle strand. If you take the hair underneath each other, then that's when it becomes a Dutch braid. And you want to make sure you're angling the braid towards the back of your head so it sits properly. And you're just going to continue to do this until you've added in all your hair. Then when you've added in all your hair, you're just going to do a normal 3-strand braid. I like to braid that braid in the direction I want the hair to sit when it's pinned. You're going to take the 3-strand braid and place it over the French braid, and you're going to tuck in any pieces of hair that are sticking out. I don't have a mirror to check what it looks like from behind, but when you've done all the pinning, that's what you can do. So you can check that you're happy with the placement of the braid. And that's it. It looks really fancy, but it's just one braid. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial, and check out my Instagram, and if you have any requests, just place it in the comments below and I'll try my best. Thank you for watching.